Hello everyone, after Diwali break, this is our first lecture that we are beginning our new chapter, that is chapter number 4, quadratic equation. So as I gave you notes before the Diwali holidays, I made one lecture related to our notes, that whatever we have done in class 9 and what will be new thing for us in this class, means class 10. Here we will discuss about some deleted portion also, that what is deleted in this chapter for this year, as well as अब हम begin कर रहे हैं check whether the following are the quadratic equations or not, and this is exercise 4.1. यानी हमें इसे इतना सॉल्व करना है दैट हमारा आंसर मीन आवर आंसर शुड बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस cn दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 0. यानी मैक्सिमम पावर यानी मैक्सिमम डिग्री हमारा 2 होना चाहिए, एंड वन कोफिशिएंट of x square that is a and the coefficient of x is b and one constant term should be there and they all are equals to 0. So this equation we will call general formula of quadratic equation. So now here we have to check whether the following are the quadratic equation or not. So let us expand this one. So if I am expanding this one, how it will look? So it is the property a plus b whole square. So if you are opening the bracket, it will looking like a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right, it is in this form, but after solving this, that b square that is 1 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 1 ही आएगा और 1 मल्टीप्लाई में है तो 2x ही आएगा, but then also we will write it as it is. Now we will open it, so it will become 2x and that will become 3 2s are minus 6. Now here let me write, it will look like x square plus 1 square will be 1 and this is 2x into means 2 1s are 2 into x 2x. And this is also 2x and minus 6. Let us shift all these things this side, so it will become x square plus 1 plus 2x minus 2x plus 6 and this will become 0. यानी हमने ये शिफ्टिंग किया तो 2x का सिंबल माइनस हो गया and 6 is in minus, now it is becoming plus. So we will cancel out this because one thing is in plus, another thing is in minus, we are making 0. So we got here x square 6 plus 1 that will become 7 and that is equals to 0. Now अभी हमें लिखना है क्या ये quadratic equation है. So यहाँ पर मेरा आंसर होगा yes, it is quadratic equation. It is quadratic equation. So you will ask that why it is quadratic equation. So it is in the form of x square plus constant term. Here one term is missing, that is in the form of 0x plus 7. Means कंपल्सरी बात ये थी कि अगर यहाँ पे 1x होता बट x स्क्वायर नहीं होता तो ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन नहीं कहलाता. मीन व्हाट इज द मस्ट थिंग दैट वी नीड स्क्वायर टर्म, देन ओनली इट विल मेक इट एज क्वाड्रेटिक. If constant term is not there, no issue, and if the middle term is also not there, no issue, but square term should be there. So this is how we gave the answer that yes, it is quadratic equation. Now here we are moving towards this question. This is the another question. Let us write. Please try to solve x square minus 2x. Let us multiply this. Minus plus will become minus. 2 3s are 6. Minus minus will become plus. 2 into x will become 2x. Now let us shift all these things. It will become x square minus 2x minus 2x. I am shifting this side and 6 will become plus and they all are equals to 0. यहाँ याद रखने वाली चीज ये है, दोनों माइनस है तो इट विल बिकम माइनस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस. अगर किसी को नहीं आता तो प्लीज रफ में यू हैव टू डू दिस थिंग इन रफ, दैट माइनस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस. So 2 plus 2 will become 4 and x we are keeping as it is and the symbol will be minus, so it will become minus 4x plus 6 and it is equals to 0. Now is it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c? So we will say yes because a is 1 over here, b is minus 4 over here and c is 6 over here. So here we will give answer that yes, it is quadratic equation. So here this is the both the question that we have solved. Now we will do question number 3. So here will be question number 3 and question number 4. So many brackets they have given. So let us solve. It should not be in the form of cube or raised to 4. It should be in the form of square only. यानी quadratic का formula है maximum degree 2 होना चाहिए. So let us solve it. So it will become x square. Then it is becoming x. Now we are multiplying this. It will become minus 2x. Minus plus minus 2 ones are 2. This is how we have solved. We have opened 2 bracket. Now here it will become x square. X into 3 will become 3x. Minus plus minus x. Minus plus minus and 3 ones are 3. Now here as we can see both having plus x square. So it will be reduced only. अगर साइन चेंज होता है तो वो ऐड होते हैं, बट अगर साइन सेम है इक्वेशन के बोथ साइड तो वो कैंसल आउट होगा. कैसे? लेट मी शो यू. इफ आई एम शिफ्टिंग ऑल दिस थिंग ओवर हियर, सो इट विल बिकम, लेट मी कीप ऑल दिस थिंग एज इट इज, लेट मी शिफ्ट ऑल दैट. सो इट विल बिकम माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस एक्स प्लस 3 एंड दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 0. सो एक टर्म प्लस में है, एक माइनस में है, दोनों के पास एक्स स्क्वायर है, सो वी विल कट इट आउट. यहाँ पे x है, यहाँ पे x है, so it is adding and it is becoming 2x and this is minus 2x we are keeping as it is. Let me keep minus 2 as it is, minus 3x as it is and that plus 3 also as it is. Now here let us solve it. So how it will look like? This will cancel out again. So here what will remain? Minus 3x will remain. अब यहाँ पे वापस बहुत सारे बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम होती है because they are not knowing plus 3 minus 2. We have to solve these numbers, both these numbers. प्लस माइनस विल बिकम माइनस, 3 में से 2 कट होगा, 1 आएगा एंड द सिंबल ऑफ द ग्रेटर नंबर दैट इज प्लस. यानी ये एक बेसिक चीज है जो हमने 5th स्टैंडर्ड में सीखी है, वो पूरे 10th स्टैंडर्ड में हमें मैक्सिमम फॉर्म में यूटिलाइज हो रही है. दैट व्हाट इज प्लस प्लस एंड व्हाट इज माइनस माइनस एंड व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. नाउ हियर वी गॉट दिस रिड्यूस फॉर्म एंड एज वी कैन सी हियर स्क्वायर टर्म इज नॉट देयर. तो ये क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म में नहीं है, ये लीनियर के फॉर्म में है because उसका पावर 1 है. So we will say that no, it is not quadratic equation. So here as you can see this is the end of this question. Now we will shift towards this question. Again we have to solve the bracket. So it will become 2x square and it will become plus x. Then it will become minus 3 2s are 6x plus minus minus 3 1s are 3. So it will become x square and it will become plus 5x. Now here we will shift. So it will become 3x. First I will solve this. So फिर से minus 6x plus 1. So it will become plus minus will become minus. So it will become 5x as well as symbol will be minus. So इन दो का solution आया है. That is minus 5x minus 3 we are keeping as it is. अब हम इन्हें शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं. सो इट विल बिकम माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5x एंड दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 0. नाउ अभी हम इनका पैर बनाएंगे. 2x स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, तो एक एक्स स्क्वायर बच जाएगा. माइनस 5 माइनस 5 यानी माइनस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस. सो इट विल बिकम 10x बट सिंबल विल बी माइनस. और कोई नंबर वाला टर्म नहीं है, सो वी हैव टू कीप माइनस 3 एज इट इज. सो हियर व्हाट यू कैन सी, मैंने पैर इसका बनाया. आई हैव मेड पैर ऑफ दिस एंड आई डिड in rough that I have to do this thing, that it is plus, it is in minus, so it will become minus and it will become x square and the symbol of the greater number will be plus. So that is how I do. Then I made pair of this 5x and that 5x and what is remain minus 3 will remain as it is. अब ये ज़्यादा रिड्यूस नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि ये स्क्वायर वाला टर्म है और यहाँ पे x का पावर 1 है, तो यहाँ हम लिख देंगे yes it is quadratic equation. So understood what is the concept of this? I hope you understood. So let us begin over here. This will be question number 5 and 6. So let us solve it. So it will become 2x square minus 3 2s are 6x minus x. Minus minus will become plus. बहुत सारे बच्चों को प्लस माइनस में बहुत सारे मिस्टेक होती है. So please be careful related to that, and it will become 3 1s are 3. Now solve it, so it will become x square, and then it will become minus x, and this will become plus 5x. Plus minus will become minus, and 5 1s will become 5. Now let us shift all these things, as well as we have to solve both of these things. So it will become 2x square minus minus तो प्लस होगा, so 7x will be there and plus 3. नहीं आए, प्लीज डू इट इन रफ, दैट इट इज इन दिस फॉर्म. यहाँ पे 1 है, माइनस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस, so it will become 7x, and the symbol of the greater number that will become minus. तो इन दो के फॉर्म को हमने सिंप्लीफाई करके यहाँ पे माइनस 7x लिख दिया. Now we will write this is x square प्लस माइनस विल बिकम माइनस, यानी 5 में से 1 जाएगा तो 4 तो बचेगा ही, बट द सिंबल विल बी प्लस, एंड इट विल बिकम माइनस 5. नाउ वी विल शिफ्ट ऑल दीस थिंग्स. तो अगर हम उसे शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं, सो इट विल लुकिंग लाइक आई एम कीपिंग दिस एज इट इज. लेट मी शिफ्ट, इट विल बिकम माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 5, एंड दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 0. नाउ वी विल मेक पेयर ऑफ दिस. 2 में से 1 माइनस होगा, सो इट विल बिकम एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 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 7x माइनस 4x, so minus minus will become plus, so it will become minus 11x plus plus. अब हम ये नंबर्स को सॉल्व करेंगे कांस्टेंट टर्म. so plus 5 plus 3 will become plus 5 plus 3 will make 8, and the symbol of the greater number you have to remember always, that is plus. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, symbol of the greater number, because यहाँ पे greater number का साइन माइनस था, so we keep it as minus, और यहाँ greater number का symbol plus था, we keep it as plus, as well as over here too. So it is in the form of quadratic equation. So we will write yes, it is in quadratic equation. So this is the end of this 5th question. Let us solve the 6th question. So here it is in the form of x square plus 3x plus 1. यहाँ पे आइडेंटिटी लगेगी a minus b whole square. So it will become a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is the property. So we will solve x square plus 2 square, right? And minus 2a and b, right? Now simplify it. X square plus 3x plus 1, x square plus 2 square, 4, 2 2s are 4x. Now solve करेंगे, हम इसे शिफ्टिंग करेंगे, so it will become x square plus 3x plus 1. If I am shifting all that thing, it will become minus, and this minus will become plus. Now let us solve it more. एक प्लस में एक माइनस में है, we reduce. ये दोनों प्लस में है, प्लस प्लस will become plus, so it will become 7x. Minus 4 plus 1, that will become plus, minus will become minus, यानी माइनस का ऑपरेशन होगा, 3 बचेगा, and the symbol of the greater number will be minus. और यहाँ लिख देंगे नो इट इज नॉट इन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म. नो इट इज नॉट क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, नो इट इज नॉट quadratic equation. So this is the end of these both question. I hope you understood. Now 2 questions remain, let us do it. So before solving, if you are watching this, so we will not to be a judgmental that it is in the quadratic or it is in cubic, because we have to solve first this, then only we have to reduce it, and whatever the final product we are getting, from that we have to decide it is quadratic or not. Else if we are watching this, we can see that it is in the form of quadratic equation. So here we are beginning our process. So it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So identity apply करने, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square plus 3ab square के फॉर्म में है ये. So मैं आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई करनी है over here. So it will become a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a and b square. ये हुआ ये. This is the solution of these only. Now that is equals to what? So it is equals to 2x cube. ये मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किया minus 2x. So now let us solve it further. So it will become x cube plus 2 to the 4 to the 8 plus x square will become x square, 3 to the 6x square 2 square will become 4, 4 3s are 12, so it will become 12x and that is equals to 2x cube minus 2x. Let us shift, so it will become in this form minus 2x cube plus 2x and that is equals to 0. अगर हम इसे सॉल्व कर रहे हैं तो ये माइनस है, माइनस प्लस विल बिकम माइनस. नहीं समझ में आया so you have to write this, so it will be easier for you. It is in the form of cube, so cube will remain same, plus minus will become minus and यहाँ आएगा 1 और the symbol of the greater number will be minus, so it is becoming minus x cube. Now we will solve the term of x square, so it is plus 6x square as it is. Let us solve x, so it will become plus, plus will become plus, so it will become 14 and that x. Any constant term is not there, only 8 is there, so we will write plus 8 and that is equals to 0. अब हम इसे आगे solve नहीं कर सकते हैं. If you want to shift it that side, the symbol of this can change. It will become plus x square and this will become, all these three will become minus. बट फिर भी डिग्री में यानी कि पावर में कोई चेंजेस नहीं आएगा एंड इट इज क्यूबिक फॉर्मूला. बट वी हैव टू फाइंड क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला जो पावर 2 के टर्म में होगा. यानी अगर इतना होता तो हम उसे क्वाड्रेटिक लिख सकते थे, बट हियर द क्यूब टर्म इज देयर, सो यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे नो इट इज नॉट क्वाड्रेटिक. So this is the end of this question. I hope you understood.